Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is Tuesday, 24th January 2012, and right now we are looking at S&P 500 contracts. It is a daily chart. A week ago, I was telling about the growing wave that might be meeting the support resistance from last recent tops, but right now it is not really accelerating. I mean, there are buyers at the market, and last time we were talking about entering the market, very cautious market entrance for 4-hour chart and daily chart buyers. It's this zone I've marked here after this test from the upside movement. It was a positive test, and we have another buyers at the market, but this really another sellout, another any seller's entrance might be finishing this market entrance from before, so it might be closing our transaction. But if it's not going to happen, if another buyers will come up to the market, we might be seeing next wave that might be reaching the support resistance from the last talk. And the case is very similar for gold. You see at the daily chart, last time we are talking about this double bottom questions, and there is a trend, daily trend that is making things happening with buyers. And at 4-hour chart, it is an uptrend. A daily chart, it is hard to say if it's a uptrend um, movement. Right now, we see the buyers are getting weaker. Of course, we might see some new buyers coming in. It's the same story that I've just told at S&P 500 contracts, that we've seen the positive test with buyers at this support resistance, and here was the market entrance zone. But if the sellers came will come to the market, it will close this transaction. If not, we will see another buyers, and the market will finish somewhere around here, and we will see what's happening at daily chart at those support resistance. The story is very similar to this one from before, only here we got weaker buyers. So I'm not sure if this movement is going to last. At 4-hour chart and daily chart, look at the pound dollar chart. Right now we are looking at double bottom, pretty much aggressive movement with buyers coming in, and right now we are meeting support resistance, which might be doing differently. Today in different analysis, when the movement was somewhere around here, I mean this minimum here, I was telling that still we have a bigger probability of market going to the upside, even though we see here some shadows, the market didn't come up, it was a fake breakout and everything. The big probability is the market's going to move higher and higher, that it was only a small correction, but if we see another sellers coming in the market at this point, there might be a sellout as well. So be cautious at this market. As we see at daily chart, there is some stronger buyers movement right now, but at daily chart, it isn't really an uptrend story yet. At 4-hour medium chart, we see there is an uptrend. Here we go. We have zigzag movement, that is an uptrend, and another one. And right now, the chart is trying to test this support resistance zone, which I've marked with this big rectangle. And right now we are seeing also at 30-minute chart. Take a look at 30-minute chart. How does it look like? Like a just a symmetrical rectangle, and it's finishing at it's stopping by at support resistance line. And of course, the big probability is the market's going to hit some new highs. If market's going to break out through the downside, it's not the best way to enter the market. That's what I'm telling more at Forex online courses, why it is not the best opportunity to enter the market, why is it wrong. So we're going to wait for another interesting, more interesting situation at the market. Another thing about euro dollar currency is that euro is really getting stronger here at this 4-hour chart, but fundamentally, euro currency has a strong problems right now with many countries in Eurozone, so it's not the best way to enter the market fundamentally. I mean, very long term, to buy a euro unless there are some more information at the market that the chart is showing that the situation in Eurozone with euro currency is gonna be much stronger in some close future time. So you might be thinking about this more in the future. Fundamental versus technical analysis. That is also what's happening at S&P 500 chart. You might listen more and more about it at other videos, analysis, and Forex online courses. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have a great week of trading. Thank you very much.